Now our seventh part is f of x is equal to square root log e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2ax. Solution: differentiate with respect to x. So here we use our power formula. This one is actually like log e2x plus e minus 2x containing a power 1 by 2. So that is actually 1 by 2. This function log e2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by applying derivative and using our power formula, that will become minus 1 by 2, and then derivative will apply on this inner function, which is log e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. So first we actually use our power formula to differentiate the given function, and that can be written as 1 by 2, shifting this to the denominator containing a negative power, so will become positive power and can be written as into the square root form. And now to differentiate this function, as we already discussed in our previous parts, that derivative of log f of x will be 1 over f of x. Here f of x is e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, so that will become 1 over e 2x plus e minus 2x, and then derivative will apply on f of x, which is e 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Again this portion will be remain same, and this is again the same thing, 1 over e 2x plus e minus 2x, and derivative will apply only on this function. So derivative of e 2x will be e 2x and derivative of 2x will be 2, plus e raised to the power minus 2x will be e raised to the power minus 2x, and derivative of minus 2x will be minus 2. This denominator will be remain same, this will be same, 1 over e 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, and taking 2 as a common factor from this part, that will become e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x. 2 will be cancelled out, so we have e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x, which is this one, and this portion will be remain same, which is e 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, which is this one, and this square root part, square root log e 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. So this is actually our required derivative of the given function. Next, part 8, f of x is equal to log with the function square root e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. The difference of this part from 7th part is, in 7th part we have whole power 1 by 2, but in 8th part we have a power 1 by 2 only on this function, not containing log. So when we differentiate this function, first we apply derivative on this function log, which is 1 over square root e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, and then derivative will apply on this function e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x square root. This will be same, and derivative of this square root function will be 1 over 2 function containing power 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2, and then derivative will apply on this function e 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. That is 1 over 2, this will be same, e 2x plus e minus 2x square root. This again can be written as due to the power minus 1 by 2, in denominator e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, and derivative of e 2x will be e 2x into 2 plus e raised to the power minus 2x into derivative of minus 2x, which is this minus 2. In numerator 2 will be a common factor, which is this one, and e 2x minus e minus 2x is the left, and in denominator 2 e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, and e 2x plus e minus 2x having same base, so power will be combined, this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 will become power 1, or we can write it in the form of square, e 2x plus e minus 2x square root whole square, which is actually like, so this is actually explanation of this step. We have 2 square root function. So taking square, that will be cancelled out. We have just e2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Now 2 will be cancelled out. We have just e2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x divided by e2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, which is our required result. This is just the solution by using our log formula in the starting of this question, but before using our derivative formula, this can be written as f of x is equal to 1 by 2 log e2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, which is actually a log property, that if we have log x raised to the power n, then we can write it as log xn is actually n log of x. So using this result, we can write our function in this form: 1 by 2 log e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, and then we apply differentiation, so that will become f prime of x. This 1 by 2 will be as it is. Now derivative will become log f e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x is actually 1 over e2x e minus 2x, and then derivative will apply on this function. So this will become actually more simplified instead of this one, because we have here square root function, but we just applying a log property. This square root will be vanished and power will be in the starting of this question, so derivative will become more easiest instead of this one. So in denominator 2 e2x e minus 2x, and in numerator derivative of e2x will be e2x, and then derivative of 2x will be 2, e raised to the power minus 2x, and then derivative of minus 2x will be minus 2. So taking common 2 and then cancel out with this 2, we have just e2x minus 2x divided by e2x plus e minus 2x, which is the same thing which we calculated in our question. So this is actually easiest approach, that if we have a function containing log and f of x is also containing a power, so we can shift this power before log like this by using this log property, and then derivative will apply on this function. So this will become an easy approach to solve such type of questions. And finally, this is actually the definition of tan hyperbolic 2x. So this is again this can be used as an answer, and this is actually a conversion of this function in the form of tan hyperbolic 2x.